How it was tied to my health really was a surprise.
Air conditioners work hard keeping you comfortable.
It draws about 45 to 55 gallons of water out a day.
That's a lot of humidity. So does a bigger air conditioner keep you cooler?
No, it short cycles. It doesn't run as long. It'll cool the house down, but it's not drawing the humidity out of the house. You still have that wet feeling in the house.
And that wet feeling can lead to all sorts of problems.
I would get up in the morning and I would be hacking, coughing. I would be sneezing.
One thing made Marilyn suspect it might not be allergies.
I would go outside and it would slowly get a little bit better.
Worried about the quality of air she was breathing in her home, she scheduled an AC checkup.
We did a heat load on the house. We determined that the unit that was in there was oversized.
The old unit spent 15 years cooling, but not removing enough humidity.
It's not drawing the humidity out of the house, it's just leaving it in there, and it causes mold and mildew issues.
The entire AC system was replaced, and this time, smaller was the smarter choice.
We want to make sure that it's healthy. We want to make sure it's airflow balanced. We want to make sure you have adequate air coming into the system, and we want to make sure it's got fresh air coming in as well.
It was a dramatic change. I started to improve.
Now the house stays at a perfect steady temperature. The homeowner is comfortable, and the homeowner can breathe properly now. So it's a healthy home now.
It's just a wonderful feeling.
For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.